Lecture 1: Food Quality Control and Assurance. In this lecture, we will explore food quality control, which is essential to ensuring that food products meet set safety standards and nutritional value expectations. 1. What is food quality control? Food quality control refers to the system of inspecting, testing, and managing processes involved in food production to ensure the final product is safe, consistent in quality, compliant with regulatory standards. 2. Elements of quality control. Inspection of raw materials. In-process controls during manufacturing. Final product evaluation before distribution. Storage condition assessment. 3. Food quality assurance versus quality control. Quality control is product-oriented and focused on defect detection. Quality assurance is process-oriented and focuses on defect prevention. 4. Importance of food sampling. Sampling allows us to evaluate microbiological contamination, test for chemical residues, pesticides, additives, analyze nutritional content, monitor shelf life and spoilage risks. Samples are collected using random sampling, stratified sampling, composite sampling. Lecture 2: Food Safety Laws and Regulations. Every country has regulations that govern food production, safety, and distribution to protect public health. 1. Purpose of food safety laws. Prevent food adulteration and contamination. Establish permissible limits for additives and contaminants. Enforce food labeling and traceability. Set standards for processing, storage, packaging, and transport. 2. International Food Safety Frameworks. Codex Alimentarius, International Food Standards by FAO/WHO. HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Points Preventive Approach to Food Safety. ISO 22000, International Standard for Food Safety Management Systems. 3. Examples of national regulations. In Nigeria, food safety is regulated by ONAFDAC, National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control. OSON, Standards Organization of Nigeria. O Ministry of Health and Ministry of Agriculture. They ensure safe food production and packaging, licensing of food premises, inspection of imported and locally produced food items. 4. Labeling regulations. Food labels must provide ingredients list, expiration date, allergen information, nutritional information, batch numbers for traceability. Non-compliance can lead to fines, product recalls, or factory shutdowns. Lecture 3: Licensing of food and beverage companies. Licensing plays a major role in ensuring food safety standards are met at the institutional and commercial levels. 1. Why licensing is important. It authorizes a business to legally produce and sell food. Helps regulators monitor compliance with safety and hygiene standards. Ensures traceability and accountability. 2. Types of licensed establishments. Food and beverage production factories. Food processing and packaging units. Restaurants, fast food outlets, and catering services. Bottled water and soft drink plants. Liquor and alcoholic beverage facilities. 3. Criteria for obtaining a license. Premises must meet sanitary and structural standards. Presence of trained food handlers. Functional hygiene and waste disposal systems. Product samples must pass safety test. Evidence of HACCP implementation. Licensing may be temporary, renewable, or permanent depending on compliance history. Lecture 4: Licensing of food preparation, water packaging, and liquor premises. Different food-related businesses have unique risks and are licensed according to their operational profiles. 1. Food preparation premises. Includes restaurants, hotels, catering services, and canteens. Must ensure kitchen hygiene, temperature control, safe food storage, and regular health checks for workers. Must comply with fire safety, clean water access, and pest control requirements. 2. Water packaging facilities. Water used must be sourced from approved boreholes or purification systems. Regular microbial and chemical testing is mandatory. Equipment must be sanitized and regularly serviced. NAFDAC registration number is required on packaged water labels. 3. Liquor premises. Facilities producing or selling alcoholic beverages must obtain specialized licenses. They are regulated for O. Alcohol content and safety. O. Proper labeling. O. Prevention of underage sale. O. Health warnings. Lecture 5. Capacity building for food handlers. People who prepare, cook, and serve food are the frontline defense against food contamination. Investing in their training is essential. 1. What is capacity building? It involves empowering food handlers with skills, knowledge, and tools needed to maintain safe practices. 2. Why it matters. Prevents foodborne diseases. Reduces cross-contamination risks. Enhances compliance with regulatory standards. Builds consumer trust and brand reputation. 3. Organizing workshops and training. Topics may include O. Personal hygiene. O. Proper hand-washing techniques. O. Temperature control. O. Pest prevention. O. Cleaning and sanitizing. Delivery methods. O. Seminars. O. Demonstrations. O. Visual aids and posters. O. Role-play scenarios. Workshops should be recurring and monitored for impact. Lecture 6. Food hygiene education and community awareness. Education is key to long-term, sustainable food safety. 1. Who needs food hygiene education? Home cooks. Commercial food vendors. Street food operators. School feeding programs. Religious and social event caterers. 2. Educational strategies. Incorporate food safety into primary and secondary school curricula. Use community health workers to teach hygiene. Translate materials into local languages. Use radio jingles, TV campaigns, and posters. 3. Key messages. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold. Don't reheat food multiple times. Use clean water for cooking and washing. Dispose of waste properly. Education leads to behavioral change, which is the ultimate goal. Lecture 7. Safe handling and processing of various food products. Different food categories require specific handling protocols. 1. Meat and poultry. Must be cooked to safe internal temperatures, e.g., 75 degrees Celsius for poultry. Should be stored separately from vegetables. Surfaces must be sanitized after contact with raw meat. 2. Fruits and vegetables. Wash thoroughly under running water. Avoid using soap or bleach on fresh produce. Store in clean, dry containers. 3. Dairy products. Must be pasteurized or boiled. Keep refrigerated below 5 degrees Celsius. Avoid consuming after expiration date. 4. Grains and cereals. Should be stored in dry, cool, pest-free environments. Rotate stock to avoid mold and aflatoxin contamination. Each food type carries specific microbial or chemical risks, hence tailored safety measures are necessary. Lecture 8. Monitoring, inspection, and enforcement. Even the best safety plans fail without effective monitoring and enforcement. 1. Routine inspections. Regulatory bodies carry out scheduled and surprise inspections of food establishments. Inspectors look for cleanliness, worker hygiene, pest control, food storage conditions, expiry dates and labeling compliance. 2. Sampling and laboratory analysis. Random food samples are collected and tested in labs. Test assess. O. Microbial contamination. O. Residual pesticides. O. Heavy metals. O. Compliance with nutritional labeling. 3. Enforcement actions. When violations are found, warning letters may be issued. Fines and penalties imposed. Products may be recalled. Licenses may be suspended or revoked. In severe cases, criminal prosecution may follow. Enforcement ensures that businesses take safety seriously and that public health is protected. White Heavy Checkmark Module 2 Summary. In this module, we covered 1. The principles of food quality control. 2. The role of regulatory frameworks in ensuring food safety. 3. The licensing process for food, water, and alcohol-related businesses. 4. How to build capacity through workshops and training. 5. The importance of education and awareness campaigns. 6. Safe handling procedures for different food groups. 7. How monitoring and inspection sustain food safety systems. Graduation Cap Full Course Wrap-Up, Food Safety, Hygiene and Sanitation. Across both modules, we have defined the key concepts of food safety, hygiene, and sanitation. Explored food handling, processing environments, and preservation. Reviewed quality control, regulatory laws, and licensing procedures. Emphasized capacity building, hygiene education, and inspection systems. By applying the principles from this course, learners can effectively minimize foodborne risks, ensure compliance with standards, and contribute to a healthier society.